Let's take a look at some very key news on matters education that relates with the conversation tonight. The move by the government to reform and merge some institutions of higher learning is causing anxiety among education stakeholders, with looming fears of job losses. The plan includes merging key funding and regulatory bodies, dissolving institutions, and closing outdated agencies. While officials argue the changes will enhance efficiency, unions warn of potential layoffs as universities struggle with financial instability. Anne Musungu with this story.
That we can do your will.
The cabinet's changes have left some stakeholders uneasy, fearing potential job losses and layoffs. The Commission of University Education's chairman argues that the process might lead to downsizing. He says, and I quote, "Historically, major corporations and companies have had to downsize or right-size. It is important that a working system gets reviewed from time to time for purpose of ensuring the functions are undertaken effectively and efficiently." University and Academic Staff Union WASU Organizing Secretary Onesmus Maluki warned that job losses are real in the case of a merger. He says, and I quote, "We hope that the proposed merger will not disadvantage universities. We hope that the two institutions being under one roof will enhance efficiency, and moving forward we will see the timely disbursement of funds and that they will be able to deal with the issue of underfunding." The proposed reforms aim to merge the University Funding Board and the Higher Education Loans Board into a single entity. Amid a university funding crisis, universities have gone 5 months without funding, with the HELB providing student loans and University Funding Board handling scholarships and grants under different funding models. The proposal also includes merging the Commission of University Education, Kenya National Qualification Authority, and Technical and Vocational Education Training Authority into a single regulatory body. Additionally, major reforms will dissolve the Center of Mathematics, Science and Technology Education in Africa, SEMESTER, the Kenya National Commission for UNESCO, and the National Council for Nomadic Education, integrating them as departments with the Ministry of Education. Furthermore, institutions such as the Jomo Kenyatta Foundation and the School Equipment Production Unit, SEPU, are set for closure as they have been deemed outdated and no longer valuable. The big question remains, will these reforms streamline education management or create more challenges for staff and students alike? Anne Musungu, KTN, Nairobi.
Indeed, thank you very much, Anne Musungu, for that detail.